The Malaysian rainforest actually gives you life. It's nearly 150 million years old. The beauty of the rainforest, you'll only feel it when you are in the rainforest. Nowhere else in the world do you have such a biodiverse situation as we have in our rainforest. Rainforest is so important not only to Malaysia but to the world. We take it for granted that this rainforest will be here forever. Conserving the rainforest is very important. So love your rainforest. This is our heritage. This is our biodiversity. So come join us. Preserve our rainforest for the future generations in Malaysia.